Hello there. When we were first quarantined, I ordered some Filet Mignon from Omaha Steaks because we didn't know what we could get, where we could get it with food. $17 each, and they were pretty tiny. Weeks ago at Trader Joe's that they had Filet Mignon there, and they are gorgeous. They are USDA choice center cut Filet Mignon, and they're beautiful. $11 each, and they're much bigger. Look at that. They're so big and so beautiful. I will just take a few tablespoons of Kerrygold butter and put it on some saran wrap like this. And take 2 of these crushed garlic squares out. They're so great. All they are is garlic, so there's no preservatives, which I find that I can taste in the canned or the jarred garlic. So I really like these. They just come like this, and they're frozen, so you always have them in the freezer. Pop 2 of these in, and you put it in the refrigerator, and it hardens up, and then you can slice it and put it on top of your filet mignon right when you take it off the pan. And you want to take your filet and make sure it's flat. The bacon will stick to it. I'm going to take my fillets and wrap them in bacon. This is the no sugar, dry rubbed, uncured bacon from Trader Joe's. This is kind of thick, so I'm going to take a piece and kind of stretch it out because you don't want it to be too thick. And just kind of wrap it around. It'll go 2 times because it's such a thick piece of meat. Make sure it covers all around the sides. Because you don't want to sear the meat, you just want to sear the bacon. And then if it doesn't want to stay, you can take a toothpick and put it through one side of the bacon and the other side of the bacon, but not through the meat. So that should make it stay. Cut up 2 heads of cauliflower and put it in a pan with a little bit of chicken bouillon and boiled it till it was soft, and I'm going to strain it, mash it up for mashed potatoes with my filet mignon. Of course, mashed cauliflower. My cauliflower is drained, and I put it back in the pan, and I'm going to put in Kerrygold butter, go figure, some sour cream, and maybe salt and pepper. I'll put 1 cube of garlic into my cauliflower mashed. There's 2 heads of cauliflower in here, so I'll probably put like a quarter of this package of Kerrygold butter. And a little bit of sour cream, maybe about a 1/4 cup. And my very dear friend, the immersion blender, will help me with this. I'll put chives in here at the end. You can always put horseradish, you could put cheddar cheese. You can do them however you want, just like you do mashed potatoes. Literally, make it exactly like you make mashed potatoes. I have my pan on high, and I'm gonna put some avocado oil in there because it has a really high smoking point, and I want to sear the fillets all around the outside to get the bacon cooked, and then we'll sear the top and then sear the bottom. So you want to get the oil hot first. My fillets are all seasoned and wrapped in bacon and ready to be put onto the very, very hot pan. You know it's hot enough when you can splash some water on there and it sizzles like that. I'm gonna turn on my fan. Sorry, it's a little obnoxious, but I don't want the smoke detectors to go off. Seared my fillets all on the edges for like 30 seconds each side. I didn't have to get the bacon like really crispy. Then I turned them over and laid them on one side and cooked them for 4 minutes. Turned them over on the other side for 4 minutes. And now I have the meat thermometer in. I am wanting them to go to 135 degrees for medium rare. In the meantime, my maitre d' butter got hard in the refrigerator, so I can open it up and slice it in half and put one on one fillet and one on the other fillet. Here they are, finished with the maitre d' butter on top. Basically put the oil on so that it will sit and set up for at least 15 minutes. I'll put the chives in my mashed cauliflower and we'll have filet mignon and cauliflower mash. Thanks for watching.